Hello viewers, today I'll guide you through a quick and easy process to enhance your League of Legends experience by changing emotes. Let's dive in. Begin by launching League of Legends. Once you're in the game, click on the collection icon located on your screen. Navigate to the Emotes tab within the collection. Now, if you're eager to switch one emote for another, identify the emote you'd like to replace and the one you wish to use instead. Click and hold the left mouse button on the emote you want to swap. Drag it to the desired spot. Then release the left mouse button. Voila! Your emote has been successfully changed. This simple process allows you to customize your emotes in League of Legends effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, show some appreciation by hitting the like button. For more valuable League of Legends tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.